Sawadee. Hello everybody. I am teacher Udi. Today I would like to show you how to question in Thai when you question by can. Okay. Please you remember can when you make a question you need to say in Thai ได้ไหมได้ไหม Last time I think you should remember only you say can you translate in Thai ได้ but today if you like to make question sentence you put ไหม after ได้ไหม Okay example Can you speak English Can you speak English You can say คุณพูดอังกฤษได้ไหมคุณพูดอังกฤษได้ไหม Okay the word order different from English English can you start first but for Thai you put at the end Again คุณพูดอังกฤษได้ไหมThis when you speak in Thai you make a question by can you put ได้ไหม at the end Okay things not difficult for you Today just show you like this and if you like to learn online course you inbox me to ask the detail or you like to join the group at the school when you come to the Genius Language School the Genius Language School in Phuket I think you can join in the group or private lesson even you learn by online also today I would like to say thank you ขอบคุณครับ and say goodbye สวัสดีครับ